The Chester Community Clinic is definitely a very interdisciplinary clinic.
We now have physical, occupational therapy, we have social work, and we also have psychology services.
It is a student-run pro bono clinic. We serve those in the community that are underinsured or uninsured.
Clients who come for physical therapy, they don't just have physical issues, they also might have other barriers to even getting to their appointments, such as transportation, or they need help figuring out their insurance or childcare. So we're seeing them holistically as a whole person.
Definitely helped me heal, mentally, physically, and emotionally. It helped me heal.
Being able to come here and apply what we know, what we learn in the classroom as we're learning it really helps.
It's great that we are future practitioners learning what is going to actually happen in the real world to our clients and what's happening in our clients' lives.
It's inspiring. It's giving me strength to be able to do the things I thought I couldn't do.
It's been a great experience of getting to know folks from different disciplines and different teams.
It allows us to develop relationships with our patients, our clinicians, and our classmates.
Just being able to look back and see how much I've learned in this year and how much I've grown is just really empowering and helps me feel like I'm where I'm meant to be.
I'm walking better today, thanks to them. Their patience, their kindness, their concern, it's just awesome.